the wrong car, buddy.
The Kia was the one that was flying.
There's 5 black SUVs.
On October 25th, 2025, Indiana, an officer responded to a car speeding at 121 miles per hour.
There were about 5 black SUVs was the one that flew by them. I got them at 121.
Due to identical-looking nearby vehicles, the confused officer mistakenly pulled over several wrong cars.
Nope. Nope. You're good. Wrong black SUV.
Oh my gosh.
You got the wrong car, buddy. That guy went around me
Which
about
one?
100 miles an hour.
Okay, which one?
That black one right there.
There's 3 black ones.
One on this side.
On the left side and the back?
Yeah.
Okay. There's all these black ones. Okay. Evansville 3556.
3556.
They put me out 27 northbound 69 at the 38. I got them at 121.
56, I'll be there shortly.
Morning, True Day said you got driver's license registration on you?
Yes.
Any reason for your speed today?
I was going 74 cruising. There was a Kia that flew.
Is it the Kia?
The Kia.
Okay.
The Kia was the one that was flying.
Okay, there's like a bunch of black cars. Okay,
Yeah, so-
stay right here. Let me go first, okay?
Okay.
Evansville 3556.
your everyday safety? You got license registration on you?
Yeah.
Okay, any reason for your speed today?
No.
Okay.
Just driving home from a car.
What's that?
So I was just driving home from a car.
Okay, how old are you? What's that?
18.
Okay.
Is this it?
Yep, got your driver's license on you? Okay, I'll be right back with you, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, do me a favor, go step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Okay.
And step back here. Alright, go and turn around, place your hands behind your back for me, okay? I'll explain to you what's going on in just a second, alright? Alright, so what's going on is you're being arrested for reckless driving, alright? You're at 121 and a 70 coming up through there. Alright? Alright, let's see. Okay, you got plenty of room there. Do you have anything on you? Any guns, knives, drugs, anything?
No.
Okay. Because once you get to the jail, they're going to verify everything, okay? There we go, 3556. They're going to have that female in custody. We're going to get a case of reckless driving and also start a 1051. Alright, you want to step back here? Stay right here real quick. We'll move some stuff out of the front seat. Alright, come here. We'll sit in the front seat right here. Oh, you okay?
Sorry, yeah.
Now, if you scoot when you get in, if you scoot your butt forward as much as possible, and then you sit back on your shoulders up against the seat, it will put a little pocket right there for your hands, okay? Go and turn your head to your left for me. Okay, is there anything out of there you want? You want your phone, or you got a wallet or anything?
Both.
Okay.
Like my wallet's not like it's too next to my phone, so it should
Okay.
be like in the little middle console.
It's in the middle console?
Or not console. It's like a opening.
Okay, I'll see if I can't find it. There's 5 black SUVs. Gosh. Got one, she's at 121 coming up through there. And I got the one girl stopped and she confirmed that it said, nope, it was that Kia. Which it's between a Kia and a Jeep one. And yep.
Were they all, was she a USI student, it looks like?
Yeah.
So were they traveling together?
Gotcha. Nope. Nope, not at all.
Gotcha.
Just ended up being 5 black SUVs. She's flying that left lane 121 there to 34.
What'd she say?
Just trying to get home. So
That'll do.
keys are in it. I got everything. You gonna do the impound paperwork for me?
Yeah, it's
okay.
fine.
Yep, the keys are in it. Oh, being at the Gibson County Jail.
Sounds good, man.
I got it in my GPS because I'm not 100% sure what's happening.
I'm not either.
I've never been there before. It's been a while.
She got charged with reckless driving.